you ever wondered what it's really like to work from a cruise ship while traveling the world? Let me take you through a day at sea. The good, the challenging, and everything in between. Hey, I'm Elisabeth. I'm traveling solo while working location-free online. And this is what a typical day looks like when I'm on a cruise. Most mornings I start my day with an early gym session. Going early means the gym is almost empty. Hardly no one there. No waiting, no distractions. And with ocean view all around, it's a pretty inspiring place to work out. After a good workout, I treat myself to a healthy breakfast before heading back to my cabin for a refreshing shower. Once I'm showered and ready, I like to take a moment to enjoy the beautiful view from my balcony before diving into a few hours of focused work, often right there on my balcony where it's quiet and I can really concentrate. On sea days, I often attend an Abraham Hicks seminar. As I move through the ship from my cabin towards the feeder where the seminar is held, I take my time enjoying the beautiful surroundings. These Abraham Hicks seminars inspire me deeply, and after each one I'm usually bursting with energy and new ideas for my own work. On port days, I try to make time to go ashore, even if it's just a few hours of exploring. A change of scenery almost always sparks fresh inspiration. That said, if I visit a destination several times before, I might choose to stay inboard and get some work done. With most passengers out exploring, the ship becomes wonderfully quiet. Those are my favorite moments to work, by the pool or from another inspiring spot on the ship. If you are a night owl, you'll never get bored on the ship. There's so much entertainment in the evenings. As a morning person though, my evenings are usually quieter and more relaxed. On port days, I often have dinner ashore because I just love experiencing the local atmosphere. And on sea days, I usually keep dinner light or order room service if I feel like staying in and finishing some work, which I generally enjoy though. So working remotely from a cruise means that every day is different. Some moments are productive, others not so much. But it's all part of the adventure, and that is exactly why I love it so much. If you want to know the real pros and cons of working from a cruise, check out my other video, Pros and Cons of Working Remotely from a Cruise. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about working from a cruise. I'd love to hear your thoughts.